Tolerance means not you accept the defeat, but tolerance means not let anger, your own anger. Understand? Now you see actual, what to say? I don't know. I will try express this way. You see, someone behave very unreasonably. Then you see, from your side, patience. That means not let anger and hatred, but analyze the actual situation. Then you find now, because of that behave, if circumstances shows it needs some check, some control, then you can take the action, or appropriate action, but without losing hatred feeling or anger. So that is the patience and tolerance. So another word, I always believe, without anger, we can use much better human brain power, the power of judgment. If we lose our anger, that power no more. So mad people almost like become a mad. So then the wrong decision may take. So appropriate decision can take without that anger feeling.